Bad news. Big Ethereum crash coming on this day. We saw the crypto market reviving from its latest crash in the past few weeks, and the bears started getting bearish again. Alas, those bears really do know how to keep us living in straight fear. Altcoins being utterly destroyed, we saw Ethereum below 2,000 and more people are dropping out. They've made up their mind that it is over for Ethereum and are selling bulks in the downturn. Should you sell into a downturn? The one-word answer is no, of course not. The crypto world is all about living on the edge, remember? HODL. Strong guys, that's what we've been telling you since day one. Hey guys, glad to have you back. Today's video is going to be an interesting one, so make sure you watch it until the end. Today we're going to be dropping bombs, updating you with this huge Ethereum crash coming in 2 weeks. We're going to prepare you to get the most out of your investment. Before that, if you like money and crypto, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to enjoy more videos just like this. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Unfortunately, we're in an extended bear trap market. We anticipated that this bearish trend was gonna end soon, but now we know that it's going to extend out a lot longer. So the question is, how long? As we mentioned in our previous video, last week Ethereum announced the day of the big upgrade. The London mainnet is 100% confirmed and the schedule is out now. Quoting straight from the blog, after a successful testnet deployment, the London upgrade is now ready to be activated on the Ethereum mainnet. It will go live on block 12,956,000, which is expected somewhere between August 3rd through 5th, 2021. We're just 2 weeks away from seeing Ethereum's biggest upgrade in years. You might have heard about the EIP 1559 upgrade. If you haven't, we have a detailed video about that on our channel, so make sure you check that out too. Now, the EIP 1559 upgrade is a big change for the ETH 1.0 chain. The Ethereum miners are being moved to the side and a part of their revenues, aka fees, are going to be burned. This burn and this upgrade was on our radar for a while now. We told you that it's going to happen, and in 2 weeks, you guys can see it happening with your own eyes. For all we know, this upgrade was supposed to be a good thing. All that we said about EIP 1559 made it shine. We showed this fee market change in a good light. But this upgrade could cause a few problems for Ethereum in the short to mid-term, particularly with how the miners will react to it with regards to their profit margin decreasing. Of course, when you tell someone that their source of income is going to be decreased, their initial reaction to it is going to be dramatic, and truth be told, it's justified. No one in their right mind would be happy about a pay cut. Usually people quit or look for something else when a pay cut comes. The miners, in our opinion, are totally going to lose it. They're going to revolt. So, what are the Ether miners going to do post-London upgrade? Well, the miners actually could start colluding together on the ETH1 chain reorganization of the chain, destroying the immutability and blockchain consensus of Ethereum. Users on Twitter have already started talking and creating solutions about it since July, which basically started with @EdgarArut, who posted a concept code for it on Twitter called MEV, Uncle Bandit, Geth. And a few days later, a bunny girl got the topic heated by creating NFTs for the actual reorgs where the higher the bribe to miners attached to the reorganization, the more rare your NFT becomes. The topic got so heated that Vitalik Buterin himself had to respond with a tweet. He said, during the last few weeks, there's been a lot of discussion around the possibility of miners running custom software that accepts bribes to reorg the chain. So, remember how we've been saying that MEV, miner extractable value, now soon to be maximum extractable value, is going to be an important topic for Ethereum, which is coming very soon? Miners are willing to take bribes as their incomes go down because of this EIP 1559 upgrade. Their only option, other than quitting, is that they're gonna possibly try reorgs as a show of force against this EIP 1559 upgrade, and the eventual merge to proof of stake where the miners are gone. How can we forget about the Stop EIP 1559, a website that was created back in February, where an even majority of the Ether mining pools wanted EIP 1559 to stop, and they were planning a hash power show of force. This hash power force, at the end of the day, didn't end up planning out for the opposing pools, but from that, it's clear to us that Ether miners are not happy about this upgrade. The miners are furious to the point that if mining becomes unprofitable and they have to accept shutting down after EIP 1559, they're going to burn ETH down to the ground. Since the miners' income is about to be slashed, reorgs are a high possibility. Moving on to the fact that Vitalik Buterin is rushing to want the ETH to merge. In the research article posted in collaboration with Paradigm, we can see the urgency in getting done with the ETH2 merger. The research article quotes, "The most effective prevention measure against reorgs in the context of Ethereum is to speed up work on the merge, in particular, to quickly achieve the credible capability of making an emergency merge, which would transition the chain to POS. Rushing the merge would have high risk and might break the infrastructure, but a credible commitment to do it anyway if many miners start to reorg, attacking the chain would align incentives against behavior." This has even prompted Flashbots to speak on it. They posted their very own Flashbots on reorgs and say that, "We will provide a high-level overview of why Flashbots does not support reorg games, why we believe reorg games are a net negative for all actors in the space, including myself, and how the unique nature of the Flashbots organization is set up to respond to this and future political and technical challenges." Keep in mind that Flashbots is the organization that spotlighted MEV. Without them, this matter wouldn't even be in the public eye. That said, that's it for today. We hope this video, one way or another, was of some help to you. What do you think about the EIP 1559 upgrade? Tell us in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.